Hello my dear friends of my channel Rishab's Origami World. Today I will show you how to do two more magic tricks. Okay? Do you remember a few weeks ago I posted a video on how to do the floating cup magic? Today I have brought two more magic tricks. They are the moving straw magic trick and the teleporting ball magic trick. Okay? So first I'll show you how to do this moving straw magic. So let's see how to do it. Alright, so now I'll show you how to do the moving straw magic. Wait, what? It's already moving. Anyways, let's just see it. Whoa, do you want to learn how to do this? Alright, so now I'll tell you the trick of how I did this. Alright, so what I did is I took a large straw and cut it in half. Now if you have smaller straws, you can use any size of straw. It doesn't matter how much big it is. What you will do, you will take a small piece of tape and stick it on it and put it on your middle left. This is your left hand. You'll put it on your longest finger, which is the middle finger. And now you will put your hands just like this and make this finger. Don't make it go out or else people will see you are moving this hand. You want to put this finger inside here. So it just takes a little bit of time to adjust it. And now to move it, you will move it like this. Let's see. If you want, you can do in slow motion or fast motion. Alright, so that was the first magic. Our next magic will be the teleporting cup magic. So let's see how to do it. Alright, so this is our second magic, which is the teleporting ball magic. Okay, so here I have 3 paper cups and now I have put a little paper ball inside it. Please trust me, I am not making you fool. I have put a little piece of paper ball inside this right there. Alright, so yeah, I am holding and showing it to you. Here it is the ball and I have put it here down, and now I will teleport this paper ball from this cup to this cup. Alright, you wanna see it? Okay, let's see the magic. So I am picking it up. Okay, whoa, where did the ball go? Friends, do you know where did the ball go? Yes, you were right. It is under this. You must be wondering how I did that. Many people cannot figure out how to do this magic. Do you know how I did this? Yeah, the trick was that I have already put a paper ball over here, and in this cup I have made 2 cuts here, and I have folded this, and I have also sticked it with tape. A ball I have sticked it, and when I was showing you, I didn't wanted to lift this up because you would have seen that I have put it with tape. So I held it like this and showed it to you. That was the trick. Okay, so I hope that you like these 2 magic tricks. Alright, so again I am telling you because you might have not understood what I have done. I put 2 cuts with scissors on this cup and folded this edge up, and also took a paper crushed ball and sticked it with tape on this fold. But I haven't sticked it with these 2 edges or else I wouldn't have been doing it. So what I did is I put tape, a large piece of tape, and wrapped it over this ball and over this fold. You can see it is like a little bit glittering pattern. So it is just like something like glittering. That's because of the light that's falling over here. So always it does happens. And under this I have made another crush ball and I show it, but I didn't tell you that I have put it under here. So what I did is, in my side I held it like this. I held it like this over and took my thumb and lifted this up, and this ball wasn't being able to see because it went and teleported upwards. I tell you that I teleported it in this one. So I hope that you loved doing these 2 magic tricks. If you did, make sure to like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this magic video, this teleporting and this moving straw magic trick video, and also my floating cup magic video to all your relatives, family members and friends, so that they can also try out these magic tricks and have fun at home. Alright, if you enjoyed this, and I'm again telling you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please comment down below which of these three, the floating cup magic, the floating straw magic, the moving straw magic and the teleporting ball magic, which of these three did you like the most? Please comment down below about that. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this. Bye bye.